Hey everyone, what's up? In today's video, we're going to be unboxing this package from Amazon. Inside there's the 50mm Canon 1.8 lens. Let's get into it. Okay, so after using this lens for about a week now, I've realized that this is probably one of the best lenses that you can get, and here's why. First reason why this lens is probably the best one for starting off in photography is because of the price. This lens is insanely cheap. It's like, I bought it for $150 on Amazon. It's one of the cheapest lenses that I could find. Also, this lens is really small. This is the kit lens that comes with the Canon Rebel T6, the 18-55, and this is the prime lens. It's nearly half the size. So this one's gonna be really good for traveling because it's not gonna take that much space. Also, besides it being really small, it's also really versatile. Lens is supposed to be used for portrait photography because you'll get that good foreground and background separation. Also, because of the bokeh, you're also able to use this lens for product photography, night photography, because it allows for a low aperture of 1.8. Therefore, you don't have to raise that ISO so quickly. So you can use it for product photography, portrait photography, night photography, and to conclude this video,
this is probably one of the best lenses I've got.
Well, actually it's the only lens I got besides the one that came with my camera. It's really good because it's so cheap, so a lot of people should be able to afford this one. It's only $150. Super versatile. It's a really small form factors. Really good for traveling. I highly recommend you check this out for any beginner photographers. I think that concludes this video. If you like the video, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.